What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna hop straight into the video. So this is what you need to do during a market crash. And guys, don't get it twisted. I've also seen the stock market crash, crypto crash. Everything is crashing right now, but I got it all covered for you guys today. I'm gonna handle it nice and well in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the end of this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go, guys. Starting off with ticker symbol SPY. Now, when you're talking about market crashes, you always want to be looking at the indices, whether that's SPY, whether that's QQQ, whether that's VTI, whether it's VOO. Okay, you want to be looking at the ETFs and indices to determine whether or not stocks are crashing right now. And today we had one of the worst days, or the worst day in 2025. Although that's not what a lot of people like, right? I don't like that, but it gives opportunities that would not come when the stock market is up. Okay, these dips right here, right now, are set to create millionaires. Every time there's a dip, guys, I've been through it. Okay, I've been through the 2008 crash. I've been through 2018, 2020, 2022. I've been through it all. So this is secondhand nature. Like, I've been through this, guys. The stock market at the end of the day, okay, I'm gonna say it right here, right now, it's gonna eventually go back up. These days where the stock market goes down, this is just simply testing, okay? It's testing whether or not you are a long-term holder or if you're not a long-term holder. So it's really trying to shake those out that are not willing to take part in the market, okay? The market has its cycles. It has its ups and it also has its downs. And with those downs comes a ton of panic in investments. So if you guys haven't been through this before, okay, there's 4 stages of the market. There's that base, right? And there's that catapult up, right? And then you get that euphoria, and then you get panic and fear, okay? So when others are fearful, that's your time to get greedy. And for you guys who are long-term investors, it should not matter what price you are picking and choosing your stocks at, right? Make sure you choose your stocks that are high growth, okay? You have great news on them. You got a lot of coverage on them, right? But make sure they're high growth, okay? That way, it should not matter when you put your paycheck in, when you put the extra cash in. It should not matter what the price is at, okay? Take these days where these stocks may be down 5, 10, 15, 20% down as a gift and opportunity, okay? So I just want to let you guys know that beforehand. Now let's get into the stocks, okay? Guys, also, I was a bit absent. Please excuse it, okay? I don't need to excuse myself. We're just back in the game, okay? So take a look at ticker symbol XOM. We covered this one last week, okay? We covered this one at about 105. This one ever since then, take a look at this, guys. It's up 6%. So picking strong stocks during this time, watching where the money is flowing at, is a strong, okay, mindset that you need. You need to watch where the money is flowing, because some of the stocks, the money's flowing outwards, but if you can determine where the big money's flowing, okay, these stocks are not just being pushed by $1,000, okay, they're being pushed by millions and millions, hundreds of millions of dollars in transactions. You need to know where the money is flowing, okay? XOM is one stock where the money's flowing, okay? I'm giving an example. It's almost breaking out, so looking good on that side. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol PLTR, okay, Palantir Technologies. This one, when we cover this one, it's been about 2 to 3 months now, okay? We've been covering since it ran up, since it dropped down to 65 when no one wanted it. Then we got in, okay? We got major profits at 124 when it ran up to all-time highs, okay? This is no different. So starting back to where we just were, okay, I want you guys to watch the $10 increments. So whether it be $70, whether it be $60, whether it be $50, okay? You guys need to just watch out for these prices, okay? Set your limit orders. That's how you're gonna get in when these stocks drop down low, okay? So you need to make sure you're setting up limit orders, okay? Whether you're investing bi-weekly, okay, quarterly, make sure you set limit orders so you're not the person staring at the screen, staring at the charts the whole day, okay? I know people who stare at the chart the whole day when they say they're investing. No, you're not investing. You should be able to step outside of the screen when you're investing, okay? This should not take more than 5 minutes or 1 minute daily. Okay, set your limit order, set it stone, then go about on your day. Okay, and then come back to the market when things drop again. Then you see your limit order go, and then you're out. Okay, so that's just how it should go. Your time should not be on the market 24/7 when you know you're long-term investing. If you're not, then you're not long-term investing. Okay, that's one thing I have to say to you guys. Okay, because I know that some of you guys are new here. Okay, this may be your first market cycle, so I'm just here to guide you guys through the storm. Okay, let me know if that makes sense down below in the comments. But Palantir, once again, I'm watching this one every time it dips down to the $10 increments. Okay, $70, $60, $50. Okay, I'm watching for those dips. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. Now, NVIDIA held its strength pretty well compared to other stocks in the market today. Okay, down 5%, down 0.17% overnight. It did dip down to, let's see, 103.22 here, but that's with these other stocks. Okay, this movement, guys, this is all where the big sellers and big buyers are. Okay, you're gonna see these moves. Okay, they're pretty much the same, right? You're gonna see that overnight. Okay, even though overnight doesn't determine the market, they move the same way because all these buyers are buying the same way. So you can identify points where big money is stepping. So guys, one stock, okay, of the many stocks I bought today, one stock I did buy is Hood. Okay, so with Hood, right, they're generating more cash flow. They make big money on crypto. Some of you guys, okay, especially on YouTube, you guys love to just run away when these stocks are on discount, but you were buying when it's $48, when it was $60. But now that it's down 13%, 15%, you guys don't step in, right? I'm stepping in when these stocks are down 13%, and that's just me buying some. Okay, that's just me buying with dry powder, just some money, not all of it. But on days like this is where you dollar cost average, especially when you're a long-term investor. Okay, I just want to make that clear again too. Another point I have is when these stocks, okay, let's check out Hood, right? Down 20% today. Okay, I'm looking at the overall, not just after hours, down 20% today, right? And after hours, it did dip out down to what, nearly 30% one day. This is the time where a ton of people panic, right? This is the time where people just start selling. But if you're in it for the long term, you would see this as a bargain. So it's kind of two-sided how this works. Like, people love when these stocks are up, but they will never show the appreciation and love when it's down, right? So Hood is another stock I'm buying. There's so much more, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol TSLA. Guys, take a look at this. This is one of the worst Tesla drops I've seen in a while, 15.46%. But once again, guys, I think you've seen Elon Musk. He says, as long as you're long term, you're fine. And I totally agree with that, right? Like, if you're in for the long term, it doesn't matter what price fluctuation you see on the day. That's not the whole goal of this, is not to watch the price the whole day. But take a look at this, right? We're down 5% overnight, but dips got bought up. So if I do see Hood come back down to 32, right? 30, I'm going to be buying, right? You're going to see me stepping in. Guys, this is what you need. This is the mindset you need, okay, that I'm teaching, that you need to keep for long term, okay? That's if you're in for the long term, okay? That's just the lesson throughout the video I'm going to be providing, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol SCHD. This one held its gains up throughout the market, okay? This one didn't even go down that much, down 0.35% today, up 0.56% overnight. Guys, look into SCHD to park some cash when you guys want a dividend stock to invest in, okay? This one down 0.11% past week. As you can see, it's pretty stable, okay? So another one of my top picks. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol GOOGL. Now this one has been okay. I've been loving this one. A+ stock, guys. The cash flow on Google has been insane through YouTube and many other investments that they do have and companies they do run, okay? Google is here to stay. This is a stock that I'm gonna be adding in on the dips, okay? I'm not gonna be running away when Google hits $100. If it hits $100, I'm gonna be buying more. That's the mindset you need to have, guys. Like I said, a lot of people love to run away when stocks are down, but when they're up, they love to buy, okay? So sometimes you just gotta keep that in your head to make sure you're long term, all right? So Alphabet Class A, although it's down 10% the past month, okay, I'm a buyer, right? I'm a buyer. And in the 3 months, yes, it did hit 206. Yes, it went down $40 ever since, but that is a bargain, okay? Once again, if it dips down more, let's say to the 148, I'm still gonna be a buyer, okay? It's all about dollar cost averaging. The stock market is a long-term game. You guys need to notice that, and these days should not shake you out in the market, okay? If anything, it should be either a lesson or a day you add on to your positions, right? It's better that you add in on the red days versus the green days. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol META, cash flow printer, guys, with Meta, absolutely with ads. You got Facebook, you got Meta now, right? You got Meta platforms, you got Instagram. Great stock to invest in long term. We were just at a point we were at 3 months ago, right? Nothing new. We might have gave some gains. Thing is too, guys, if you are up in profits, right? And if you're not here for the long term and want some quick gains, right? Put a stop loss, put a trailing stop loss on the stock when you're green. So your green trade doesn't go to red, because if you're now red on Meta when it ran up 1 month ago, that should not make sense, okay? You should either stop out or take profit or add to long term, right? Some of you guys need to get that into your head. That's why I'm making this video, okay? So Meta, another stock I'm watching. Next up, we got ticker symbol AMZN. You guys know I love Amazon, down 16% the past month, 8% the past week. However, it's at $194, okay? Amazon, the guys, like these other stocks, they still have room to go down. Yes, they do, but you can make money on the downside with puts, okay? I've seen a ton of you guys in the Discord crush it with puts, especially on Tesla today. So major salute to you guys getting busy in the Discord. But with that being said, guys, tap into the Discord first thing before tomorrow morning. I gotta go ahead and give you guys a whole watch list of stocks that I'm watching, as well as some penny stocks, because guys, I'm gonna bring back the penny stocks on the channel. Let me know if you like that down below in the comments. Sometimes when these growth stocks do tend to go down 10%, 8%, a lot of people shift and rotate money back into these smaller cap companies. So let me know if you guys like the penny stocks to return. I gotta go ahead and get the Discord watch list, so make sure to tap into Discord if you haven't already. And guys, make sure you enjoy the journey, okay? Remember, most people see that result, very few consider the journey. Guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Coach believes in each and every one of you. Peace.